We're going to make a really good tiramisu today. Mix espresso with marsala. Yes, you need to mix it all together. And after you're done, put it aside. Now separate the yolk from the rest of the egg and put it in another bowl. Guys, you can use the egg white in diet sandwiches. You can also make mayonnaise with it. Add sugar to the egg yolk and mix it well. In order for the sugar to melt, we need to put it on warm water and mix it. Look at the texture. This is a long process of mixing, guys. Now we need mascarpone cheese. And then we have to mix it with a mixer. And then we have to add the egg produce we made. It's important to mix it with a spatula first. And then with a mixer, so the texture looks like this. Now take another bowl and pour in the heavy cream. Again mix it so it becomes fluffy. Yeah, I know, you're gonna get bored of mixing, but the result's gonna look really good. Now add the heavy cream to the previous mixture. Now with a spatula, mix it from only one side. Guys, we don't want to ruin it. Dip the ladyfinger biscuits in the espresso so it becomes soft. We don't want the biscuits to be really hard. When you put them in the dish, put a layer of the mixture. And don't forget that the dish has to have a good edge. Again, put some biscuits. And add the mixture on top. After, you can put it in the fridge for 3 hours. Now design it with some chocolate powder on top. Guys, have the best time of your life eating this delicious tiramisu.